Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you where to check your battery fuse on a Honda DC5 Type R Integra. This one here is a Acura RSX or Honda DC5. So you just got to open up your hood and pop off your fuse box, and then underneath your fuse box you'll see here that there is a 100 amp fuse, guys. Okay, number 19 it says. So you're going to go ahead and look into your fuse box. You are going to be replacing this fuse right here. This is your 100 amp fuse right in the middle for your battery, guys. Okay, so just to show you your fuse box. By the way, you read it going out this way, so you flip it over and you read it from that way. Okay, so if your car is not starting at all and you're getting no power, this could be one of the main reasons. If not this, then your battery's probably dead and you could try jump starting it. Okay guys, anyways, that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, peace out.